You stinky skunks. Knock, knock. Knock, knock. I come bearing snacks. Hey, I come bearing some snacks. Hi. Come on. I come bearing some snacks. Look, want some apples? Yeah, come get some apples. Come on, Mookie. Come on, buddy. Leo, you coming? Leo, you gonna come out and get some snacks? Hi, buddy. You gonna come out and get some snacks? Come on. I got some apples. Come on. Come on, Leo. Good boy. There you go. Come get some snacks. They're apples. Knock, knock. It's room service. Look, I brought different crunchy snacks today. Do you want some of these ones? Huh? You going up there? Would you like to try some? They're apples. Sometimes you'll eat them, sometimes you won't. Hey, butthead. Are you really not going to have any of these? Hey, have some snacks. Are you going to try some apples? Huh? You're not going to try your apples? Will you even try it? Can you just taste it? Will you please taste your apples? Oh, it's so hard to be this skinny. It's so hard to be this skinny. Are you really not going to taste them? Just one taste. Just one taste.